Today, the ECTO-1's engine is coming out. Let's get into it.
Kick his ass, Seabass!
That's right. I'm sorry about the videos not coming out for like the last month or two. I had a video or two or three filmed ready to upload, and my hard drive died on my laptop and the videos are gone. But it's okay because two of them were just talking. One was barely doing anything. That one video that was barely doing anything, basically what happened was I realized the engine was seized. Here's a dramatic reenactment of that. Would have been a 30-minute long video. Oh no! Oh no! Oh frick! Oh shit! Yeah, like 30 minutes of that. So yeah, we're gonna take that plywood, make a smooth work area that I can roll an engine dolly around on. Actually, the engine's not gonna be that hard to remove. It's gonna be like, I've seen like 6 connections, other than the mounts, obviously. Mounts, transmission's got to come out with it. Got to take the hood off. Might have to take the radiator out. I don't know. Fan's probably got to come off. Other than that, I mean, this is gonna be pretty easy, I think. I mean, I've never done it before. Got that engine hoist, and I've got an impact because I never get to use power tools. So this time I'm gonna use power tools. Got some Double D40. And I got a GoPro for the long filming. I even brought my laptop, so when I run out of storage, I can just beep, and then put it on there so I don't have to wait the next day to come out here again. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm tired of talking. Okay, I got the wood set up. They're pretty okay. They're definitely not super level, but that should be enough. Roll the car over, get it on blocks, and then, you know, have a nice little working area. I'll probably end up leaving the engine on this one. Let's go ahead and get the dolly back assembled and then push the car back. All right, let's go. Motor dolly is in place, or engine hoist. I always just call it whatever I can think of. Let's go ahead and get the car pushed back in. Let's go.
Kick his ass, Seabass!
So this little part is more for me than you guys, just so I remember exactly where everything went when I take the sucker out. Let's see. So this, I don't know where that ends up. Oh, that goes to the harness. Okay, so that I don't have to touch. I don't think much of these I have to touch. I think this one hose, yep, this hose goes to this little Y, and that goes up to the, I assume that's for, I don't know. No idea what that one's for. I don't know anything, apparently. Oh, hey, bud. Get out of here. Okay, now this other big hose goes from that little vacuum looking, looks like a vacuum thing, that's what the other one goes to. And that's linkage. This big line goes to the brakes. Oh wow, that pinched. Wow, someone has tried to work on this apparently. Not just me, I didn't do that. Spark plugs, I know how that goes. And if there's anything maybe there's stuff I'm filming that I'm not seeing, which is more likely. Okay, suspiciously not a lot of stuff. Let's get it jacked up.
Damn, it's cold this morning, boy. What is it, about 25? What the fuck?
Hey, get out of here. Yeah. Hated that. Another one? Shit. Cool. You see the problem here? I don't know, maybe I can access it from the other side. Let me just kind of check. Okay, we got a little bit more done. A little bit more empty now. Radiator and fan are off of the car. Over there. I'm kind of frustrated now because the only things left are the drive shaft and the fact that this is too short. And I don't know how to fix either of those. I've got the drive shaft soaking on WD-40, so I did find the bolts. There are bolts on it. So I will be able to get that off. Should be able to at least. But that doesn't really matter if this jack is too short. So I don't know. On a side note, one thing I did actually get done was I got the intake off of the other Cadillac. Oh man, look at this. What a piece of work. I mean, this engine C's already checked, but even if it wasn't, like, that's kind of doo-doo. Engine intake is out. I'm gonna use the exhaust manifolds once this engine's out. I'm basically, these are a core for the engine. Like, he told me it would be $1,000, but he said it would be $500 if I didn't need the intake and exhaust. I was like, well, I've already got another one. How about you just leave it together and I give you mine? He was like, all right. So that's what we went with. So that's something. So after what feels like must have been 45 minutes at least, I have gotten these loose. See, I got that one off. So drive shaft should be coming out pretty soon. I'm probably not going to record it. Yep. See, I just hit 15%. That's why the flash turned off. Yeah, I'm not going to record it, but I'll let you know. Okay, here's where we're at. The back drive shaft is unbolted, but it's still not slipped out. I'm going to have to do more research on that. Motor mounts. I'm kind of having a little bit of trouble with them. Might just be because I'm too tired. Might be because I'm small brain. Like, the front bolts are off. The back bolts are not. So I'm going to check and see if I do need to get the back bolts off at all, because it's still not coming off. Like, the engine is not, like, moving out. I tried it. As you can tell, I'm just really tired. I mean, oh, look at me. I'm big tired. And it's like, what, 6:30 right now? 7? Like, I've been out here all fucking day. Like, since 9 I've been out here. Since before 9 I've been out here. And I don't have an engine out of the car yet. Sucky. So we're going to come back tomorrow and get this motor out. Okay. It's a new day, and I talked to a couple pros yesterday on the phone, and basically they said a couple things. One, apparently I don't have to get the drive shaft out at all in order for this to come out. It'll just kind of piss transmission fluid all over once the yoke gets pulled out. And they also said a tractor would be a pretty good option to get the engine out. So we're gonna go with that. I'm just gonna take the hood off and we're gonna go with the tractor. And the motor mounts, I didn't see it until I was done working, but there is like a space in between the mounts where you can access the bolts. They're hard to get to, but you can get something in there and wedge the screw to, you know, actually fully unscrew it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Alright, she's loose, like officially loose. That bar down there has been loosened up. Only thing left, I gotta tape up where the hood mounts are just so I don't lose track of them. Just put tape on the edges and then unbolt it. We're good to go. Okay guys, I got a lot of kick-ass stuff done on off camera, so I did use this just enough to get some pressure off of those motor mounts and use a screwdriver. It took a long time, so I didn't want to record all of it. Got a screwdriver off, had it pried, and as you can see, they are loose. They're actually, motor mounts are off, so it is loose. And down over here, if I can get it recorded, you can see the trans. Oh, well, it's hard to see, but yeah, you can see the shiny, like it's an inch off. So the yoke is just gonna slip out, and that's awesome. So once I'm working on getting this, not that one, this bar off. I've got these 3 bolts off, and once I get those 3 bolts off, well, they're not off. They're just, some of them are just sitting in there for support. But once those are back in, or once those are loose, we'll back the car out. I got a tractor now. We're gonna back it out, out of the barn. And then we're actually ready. Take the hood off. I'm gonna need to get some tape to get the hood hinges in the right place. But other than that, we're ready to go, man. I ran over the chuck again, and hit the truck. Cool. More chalking.
Kick his ass, Seabass!
Dang. He's out of there. Well, it sounded like butter, but just poop. It didn't sound like butter, but it. Oh my god. Son of a bitch. Oh. Yeah, look at it right there.
All right. Whew. What a hassle.
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.
Power bitch moves. Let's go.